Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Customer has called me. This washing machine he cannot use.
We don't take it.
So let's see what is the problem. Turn it on. Yeah, this is the problem. It's making noisy bow only like that. So we have to lay down this washing machine. So after lay down, we have found the belt has broken. See, the washing machine belt has broken. Number is M19.5. So we have same size. We'll change the same size washing machine belt. It's very easy to change. If it's loose, you can adjust the motor. In the motor there are two screws. Just you lose it, then you can adjust it if it is too loose or too tight. So after we have changed the so we'll fix back the back cover. So let's test it. How is it? Turn it on, then start. Yeah, reverse. Alhamdulillah, it's moving. It was only problem the belt. This machine also has problem. Later we'll check what is the problem that machine. There is also another machine that also problem, but it was very simple problem only. If belt broken, so it's very simple job. You can do it by yourself, very easy.